Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment Exp22 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Inland Jeweler. In its project description, you are the account manager for Inland Jewelers, a regional company that makes custom class rings for graduating seniors. Your supervisor requested a workbook to report a new account created on payment plan. The report should provide detail on total cost to the students as well as payment information. Each ring finance has a base price that can be fluctuate based on the ring personalization. That is our project description. We will move to now our first step. If you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in the Pearson course or Cengage course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you just comment on this video so I will get you soon. Our first step is start Excel, download and open file name Excel. Chapter 2 Cumulative Inland Jewelers. Grader has automatically added your last name to the file name. That is our file. I have already downloaded this file. Our second step is insert a function in the cell B2 to display the current date for your system. We will go to the cell B2. That is our cell B2. We need to display here the today date. So we will put formula of the today date. We will put is equal to today and then click on this formula, so our formula will be completed. This is today formula. You will press enter, so now today date is displayed. That's our second step. Our third step is with the cell B2 selected, set the width of column B2 auto fit. So you see when we put it our today formula, it's not showing properly, so we need to auto fit the column width. We will double click on the column width, so it's auto fit. Now you see it's auto fit. Now today date is displayed. You see 212024 is today date. Here you can also see that's the date. That's our third step. Our fourth step is insert a VLOOKUP function in the cell C5 to display ring cost for the first student. The cost the cost and type of ring should be exact match. Use the appropriate relatives and absolute cell references. So we will go to the cell C5. That is our cell C5. We will put here VLOOKUP start bracket, lookup value should be in the cell B2 B5. Then we will put comma. Lookup table will be this one from A16 to B19. We will put dollar sign in this to make this one absolute, so it will not going to be changed when we go downside. You will put F4, so make it absolute. And what he is saying that the cost of ring type should be exact match, and you see column index number. So what we need here, we need one and we need a second column here, so we will put second. Then we will put exact match. The ring should be exact match. We will select the false exact match, then close our brackets and press enter. You see we have got our results in our cell C5. So that's our fourth step. Our fifth step is fill the function for the cell C5 to the cell C6 and C11. So we will just drag this one to downside to fill this one up to downside. You see we have got our results in our cell, our C column. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is apply the accounting number format to the range C5 to C11. So it's selected. We will press just Control 1. You can get this one from here also. You will go to the accounting number format, and what he is saying, accounting number format only. So we will press OK. You see we have applied accounting number format to this column C. So that's our sixth step. I have performed 6 steps in this assignment. In this video we have total 15 steps. If you need help about the remaining steps of this assignments, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. I am professional to solve your assignments of Pearson course and Cengage courses. Or if you need help in accounting, finance, supply chain management, or any other subject, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on this screen and also given in the description of this video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.